Hey ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about section 8.2 today. 8.2 is us multiplying polynomials by a monomial. And as you learned in 8.1, the differences between a monomial, binomial, trinomial, and all those wonderful words with degrees. So it's important for us to understand those things as we are multiplying here. Now, when we multiply a polynomial by a monomial, it's basically just using the distributive property. We're going to take this 6y and it's going to get multiplied to all three of the terms. So this monomial is being multiplied by a trinomial, and so all three terms get that same 6y. So 6y times a 4y squared becomes 24y to the third. So the coefficients get multiplied. 6 times 4 made that 24. And then y times a y to the second makes a y to the third because we are multiplying, so we add our exponents. Now the same thing's going to happen with the next term. 6y times a negative 9y is going to make a negative 54y to the second. And the 6y times a negative 7 makes a negative 42y. Now we have them in order with our greatest exponent to our least exponent. And that's the specific order that we want to have when we're looking at like a standard form of our polynomials. So there is no like terms that we can combine, so this answer is just done. We are simplified. Alright, let's try the next one. Same idea, except for we have a little addition to do afterwards. So we're going to distribute, and then we will add. So this 3 goes to all three terms, which will turn us into having a 6t to the second power minus a 12t minus a 45, because 3 got to all three of our terms. Now it's important that you keep the negative number, the sign in front of each one of our terms is going to tell us if it's a positive or a negative. Now we're going to add that to our other number here. A 6 times 5, a 6t times a 5t makes a 30t squared, and plus the other distribution of a 6t times 2 makes a plus 12t. Now when we add these together, now notice that I had my t squareds and my regular t stacked on top of each other, so that means I can pretty much have back here a plus 0 because there's nothing there. And when we add these together, it was just like how we added yesterday. So this makes a total of 36t squareds, a negative 12, and a positive 12 makes 0. And since a negative 45 plus 0 still is a negative 45, we have a negative 45. And this is our official answer for simplifying in our multiplication process. Alright, let's keep going. Example number 3. Again, we're going to distribute b times 12 and a b times b. So a b times 12 makes a 12b. A b times b makes a b squared. And then we have this minus 7 still left over. And now we have it equal to, I'm going to take all that stuff and move it down so it doesn't run into my own face and I can't type anymore or write. And we're going to multiply, or that equals to our other distribution, and we're going to have a 2b minus a 4b and plus another b squared. Now this is just like we did back in chapter 3 and 4, where we're trying to combine like terms and get all of our b's onto one side. So I'm going to make the left side be where I want to put all of my b's. So we're going to have a subtract a b squared minus a b squared. Those cancel and those cancel. Well, that was nice. And I have a negative, or a 2b and a negative 4b, so I'm going to say a total of a negative 2b over here. And equals to a, let's just bring this down a little bit further yet. We'll do it all in red. So right now we have a 12b minus 7 is equal to a negative 2b. From here, because we have our number over here, we'll just subtract 12, our constant, from both sides, and we'll be left with a negative 7 is equal to a negative 14b. And when we solve this, folks, just like we always have, we divide both sides by -14. This is the step that you guys really are good at. We get ourselves a b is equal to a 1/2, because a -7 divided by a -14 makes a positive 1/2. So b equals 1/2. All right, folks, that's all we have for today. I wish you the best of luck, and you'll get your assignment from your assignment sheet. And remember, if we have anything extra to do for you, we'll do it just before we start class. All right, thank you.